Look at that. Beast of a squid. There we go. You go, bud. Woo! That's not a bad bag of squid. I think I've got 7 all up. I've let go another big one because I didn't have room in the bait tank. I'll get one of these out and hopefully kingy time. Alright, here's my little livey. Oh, might be extend that a bit. There we go. Haven't done that well on the kings lately. Quite a few skunk strips, and hopefully that changes today. Got something on the slow pitch jig in these windy conditions. Don't know what it is. Floating maybe. Out in 20 meters of water where the jig shines because it can get down there pretty quick and still has enticing action. Much prefer them out here to plastics. Plastics take years to get down there. I have to use a massive plastic. Slow pitch jigging, man. Love it. There you go. Slow pitch jigs. Little kinky. On the outside of the mouth. Alright, off he goes, back down. Slow pitch jig away. Again. Bit more weight this time. It might be a trap. Feels a bit like a trap. Love the slow pitch jig. Oh. Look at this way. Will you snag me up? Coming up. Wow, a lot of weight. You want to snag me up? Oh, come on, I just bought this too. Oh, they got another fish on the jig. I retied my light squid rod and it's come up trumps. Come up trumps. Another fish maybe. Not flying much. Maybe a study. Oh, red rock cod. How's that? That'll taste good, but I think I'll put him back. Delicious. Red rock cod. There you go, buddy. Oh. Don't want to get stung by him. I think I hooked up again on the slow pitch jig. Ooh. Not sure what this one is. The was fighting, then stopped fighting. Got a pinky that, oh, another reef. Look at this. Oh, the pretty red goatfish. Isn't that a pretty fish? All sorts of googlies today. What are you? Kingy. Oh. Now that's the first. A yakka. Yakka on a jig. Got everything these things. Slimy, yakka. There's yakka over here. Oh, funny it took a jig on the drop. Hasn't even worked it yet, just went to do a long fall and something was on it already. What are you? Little trout. Little trout. Nice. I've got a king. Oh, that's a real king on a jig. That's the first king on a jig. Oh man. Too light. Fishing too light. Crazy. Here we go. Have fun. Oh, they got a king. Oh, they got a king. Yeah, that's it. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Oh, it took me some time. Oh, yeah. Whew. Man. Yes, that's what I want. Oh, he's up high. He's almost there. Here we go. That's what I wanted. That turn, buddy. Whew. Right. That's a little rat king. Oh. There, got him. Oh. Just lost one. I'll get one on the bait. Probably 6. Nothing massive, but it's good to break the duck. Saddle boy. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it when a plan comes together. In here all morning and nothing, then got smoked by a king on the slow pitch jig on my light gear, so didn't have a chance, busted me. But I got this one just then on the squid. Nice fish, 62, nice little rat. Glad to see this boy. I've had bad luck on the kings for a while. Finally got one. Got to put him back and see if I can get any more. Alright, looks like I got another king on. Oh. Yeah, baby. What is this? Bring him out. Away from the wall. Let's go, buddy. Oh, here's salmon. Well, calm down now. It's being let out. Let's do it this way, so I don't have the sun in my face. Yeah, he's still there. Everyone's left here. It's me and the kings. Oh. Off. Got a wasp. Fuck off, wasp. She's off. Oh, yes, a white. Yes, a king. Come on, you kings. Yeah, kingy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Another little king. Piss off. Stupid. Go away, you wasp. Leave me alone. Oh, it's back. Piss off, piss off. Oh, no, it's a salmon hooked in the side. Oh. Alright, 54 centimetre salmon. Look how thick he is to the shoulders. Decent fish. Couldn't resist the old whole squid for the kingy. Alright, let's get him in the water. Alright, I think it's time to put in and have some lunch. So, tough day today. It turned out to be a good day because I stuck it out. So got one king, 62 on a squid. Yeah, got the sambo on the squid as well. So pretty happy to see the king. Haven't seen one for a while in the flesh. Awesome fight, even though he's a little guy. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Give us a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Angler out.